Demystifying Possessive Determiners in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to another fascinating English language learning video. Today, we're going to dive into an important part of English grammar, possessive determiners. We'll break down the list of possessive determiners and see how to use them properly in sentences. Remember, understanding and using these can greatly enhance your English speaking and writing skills. Possessive determiners, also known as possessive adjectives, are used to show ownership or a relationship of possession with the noun they modify. They are used before a noun and indicate who or what the noun belongs to. There are 7 possessive determiners in English. 1. My. 2. Your. 3. His. 4. Her. 5. Its. 6. Our. 7. Their. These determiners agree with the person and number of the possessor, not the possessed. For example, we use his to show something belongs to him, regardless of whether the object is singular or plural. Let's see how we can use these possessive determiners in sentences. Here are some examples. 1. My book is on the table. 2. Your coat is in the closet. 3. His bike is blue. 4. Her dog is very friendly. 5. The cat is chasing its tail. 6. Our house is near the park. 7. Their car is very fast. In each of these sentences, the possessive determiner is showing who the object, book, coat, bike, dog, tail, house, car, belongs to. While using possessive determiners, it's common for learners to mix up its with its and your with your. Remember, its and your are contractions of it is, it has, and you are, not possessive determiners. So, for example, you would say, the dog is wagging its tail, not, the dog is wagging its tail. And that brings us to the end of this lesson on possessive determiners. We've looked at what they are, how to use them in sentences, and some common mistakes to avoid. Hopefully, this has given you a clear understanding of these essential parts of English grammar. Keep practicing, and soon enough, using possessive determiners will become second nature to you. See you in the next video. Happy learning!